Hello everyone, I am Ishita and I hope you all are using the most advanced skincare system, the Fame. For the best results, we highly recommend to use the product by following the skincare sequence. And today I'll tell you about the benefits of the product. So first, let us understand the benefits of Acne the Fame Toner. First, it forms an additional protective layer, reducing risk of environmental contaminants entering your skin. Second, it can shrink pores and remove all the excess oil from your face, making it extremely beneficial for acne-prone skin. Third, no matter how well you cleanse your skin, there can be the traces of makeup and stubborn dirt. Here, Acne the Fame Toner comes to your rescue in removing all the grime after cleansing. For the best result, now I will tell you how to apply the toner. First, put a few drops of the toner on a cotton pad. Second, apply it all over the face and neck. Third, you could also take a few drops in your hand instead of the cotton pad and apply it all over your face. Fourth, allow it to dry. Fifth, follow it up with the Acne the Fame eye cream. Now let me tell you what are the benefits of eye cream. First, Acne the Fame eye cream reduces the dark circles. Second, it helps in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Third, it fights the signs of aging. Fourth, it protects the skin around the eyes from dryness. For the best results, let me tell you how to use eye cream. First, take the cream on your finger, preferably ring finger, as it has the lightest force. Second, pat the cream around your eyes. Do not rub it. Now let us understand what are the benefits of Acne the Fame Essence. First, Acne the Fame Essence essentially works as a base or primer for your moisturizer. Second, Acne the Fame Essence has molecular size particles which penetrates the skin up to 3 layers and works much deeper than average moisturizer. Third, it hydrates and rebalances the skin. For the better application, let me tell you how to use essence. First, some people like to apply 4 to 5 pumps to a cotton wool pad and sweep all over the face. Second, also you can use 4 to 5 pumps of the essence into the palms of your hand and apply the product gently into your skin in circular motion. Now let us understand how to use Acne the Fame Lotion. First, Acne the Fame Lotion replenishes the moisture of the skin. Second, it helps fight the blemishes. Third, it evens out the dryness and roughness by putting extra hydration. Now for the better result, let me tell you how to use Acne the Fame Lotion. First, always ensure to use the Acne the Fame Lotion covering the neck area along with the face. Second, use the upward strokes while using the lotion. Third, it's better to use the circular motion and massage gently. Now let me tell you what are the benefits of Acne the Fame Nutrition Cream. First, Acne the Fame Nutrition Cream gives even skin tone and enhances the glow. Second, it fights with wrinkles. Third, it excessively hydrates the skin and slows down the signs of aging. For the best result, let me tell you how to apply Acne the Fame Nutrition Cream. First, take small amount of cream on your palm. Second, gently pat the cream on neck, face with fingers. Third, apply the cream on circular motion and massage on face. For the best results, kindly follow the skincare routine by using Acne the Fame set and get the rejuvenated skin.